Are you ready to try some squash? This is the first time you'll have anything other than rice cereal and bottles. Are you so excited? Okay, you kind of just gave me the same expression, dude. Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna try and videotape this and feed you at the same time. Okay, here we go. Squash. Ooh, is that yummy? Do you want to try some more? Would you like to try some more? More? Ooh, open your mouth. Open your mouth, you turkey. Yummy! You're keeping most of it in your mouth. I'm so proud of you. Is that yummy? Why is the cat? Get out of here. Are you ready? Okay. I sound like a moron, but I'm so excited you're eating this squash. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Nummy, nummy, no. No. Well, let's not spit it onto your chest. Yummers. Yummers. Okay, one more bite, and then we turn the camera off and eat the rest. 1, 2. Ooh, yeah. Oh, not a fan.